This is my lithium battery pack. I bought this pretty long back. This is lithium ferrophosphate battery, but in the sticker it is written as lithium ion, but you can see the model number LFP, lithium ferrophosphate. And its maximum voltage is 12 volt and its discharging capacity is 6 ampere. I was using this battery in my 12 volt DC fan. The problem with this battery is now the battery is fully charged within 30 minutes. Earlier it was taking 4 to 5 hours to fully charge the battery, and now it is 30 minutes. And when I am connecting this to the fan, it will discharge within 15 minutes. So there is some problem with the battery, either battery or the BMS. For the past 3-4 years, I was using this battery. It was working pretty well. I was getting around 8 to 9 hours of backup when I am connecting this to a fan which will draw maximum 2 ampere, but I will reduce the speed so that it will draw a current less than 1 ampere only. We will dismantle this and pull whatever thing is inside. For fixing, they are not using any screws or nut or bolt. Instead of that, they are using rivets, and I do not know how to open this rivet without a rivet opening tool. I have tried it with my screwdriver and pliers, and it was not opening because it was so strong. I asked my friends how to open this rivet without using a rivet opening tool, and they are not sure about those things. So I googled it and found out simple ways how to open that. I will show you those things to you. Use the driller to put a hole at the center of the rivet. At last I have opened it, and you can see lots of wooden planks inside it. I don't know where is the battery. Lot of wooden planks. I was expecting this box full of battery, and what I can see is wooden planks only. There will be some batteries inside because 9 hours it is giving me backup for running my fan. We will pull these things outside. We will dismantle this battery pack, and I will show you what type of battery it is using, how many number of batteries are there, how much maximum ampere is there, and all. must be very careful when you are removing the nickel spot welded thing. See, you can see a short circuit happened in between. When I am just pulling it off, it became short circuited. This one battery is having 6 ampere, so when it is very huge one, a thick fumes are coming from this short circuited area. I think there will not be any problem with the battery. What I believe is either these two batteries are gone or the BMS might be faulty, because these two batteries are showing only 3 volt, all others are showing 3.3 volt. What I am planning to do is to use this BMS, and this BMS is having 30 ampere capacity. The existing battery pack was 12 ampere capacity. We will be upgrading that battery pack ampere capacity to 30 ampere and will be using this BMS inside the new battery pack. This is the connection diagram to the BMS. This is B minus, this is 3.2 volt, this is 6.4 volt, and this is 9.6 volt, and this is 12.8 volt. This T1 and T2 are thermistor connection. We will connect a thermistor here and we'll fix that thermistor with the battery, so that if the battery temperature is increasing while charging, this BMS will disconnect that thing, so thus protecting our battery from exploding. And now testing time. This is my UPS. Earlier it was using 7 ampere 12 volt 7 ampere battery. Later what I did is I just connected two wires, 4 square mm wires, to the battery terminals inside this UPS and connected to this 26Ah battery. So what happened is the charging time will be higher, and also backup time will also be higher. I was getting around 2 hours, more than 2 hours with this battery. The battery currently I am using with this UPS is sealed maintenance battery, so the efficiency is around 60-65% only. For testing, we will replace this battery with our new battery. I have connected the battery terminals to the UPS battery. That is actually a cloth clip, and because the length of the sleeved wire is a bit less, that is why for fixing it I use the cloth clip. And the other one, the negative terminal, it has pretty good length, so I have just joined it. Keep in your mind that when you are connecting a battery, terminals do not connect like this as temporary. You have to connect it permanently using some connectors and all. Now we will switch on this UPS. There is an LED here. That LED will be blinking, not fastly, slow blinking. That is because the UPS is working using the battery power. When we are connecting it to the mains, this blinking will stop. Since we are testing our battery, we will be always connecting from the battery. The output of my UPS is connected to so many things. One is my computer, my desktop computer. It is, I will switch it on. You can see it has switched on, and the monitor is also become on. And this computer is using i7 as the processor. It is a pretty good power using thing. The power consumption is a bit high. And this is the 12 volt battery fan I was using. This is now connected with my bench power supply that is running now at full speed. This is a very a bit noisy fan. When running with the high speed, very high noise is there. Then the next thing is my modem. I have two as internet service providers, and both are connected to this, not both, one is connected to this router, and I will switch on the router and the modem. You can see I have switched on, and the modem, the right side white modem is switched on. All my internet using devices are connected to this router. So if one ISP is down, I don't need to change the network, Wi-Fi network. Instead of that, I will change the input of the router to that is connecting to another ISP. That is the advantage. Our new battery is working perfectly fine. Now we will keep these things switched on. We need to know how much backup we are getting using this battery. I am switching off the recording, and I will come back just before the UPS becomes down because of the low battery. We have got more than 4 hours of backup time. It is more than 4 hours and not beyond 4 hours and 10 minutes. What happened is up to 4 hours I saw it is working, and I just go outside and come back within 10 minutes. When I came back, the UPS was down. That means the backup time was maximum greater than 4 hours and less than 4 hours 10 minutes. While working the negative terminal, where we connected it to the UPS negative terminal, that particular point, that temporary connected point, was very hot because of that joint, because this is pulling very much current from this battery. Positive terminal, there was no issue because we have connected it using that cloth clip. And the weight of the battery is 2.9 kilogram, less than 3 kilogram. 30 ampere with 3 kilogram weight is good, very good. If you have any doubt or suggestions related to this video, then please comment on this video. If you like this video, please click like button and also share this to your friends. I have not planned this for recording. I just thought of repairing this battery pack, and later realized that better to show this to you. Please subscribe to my channel for getting more videos like this. That will be an encouragement to me for making more things like this to you. This is Tech Insert signing off. See you in another video. Till then, goodbye and please take care.